See, very recently, the government of Goa, after having been defeated in the High Court of its tricks, which was not being purchased by the High Court, or not being bought by the, not being accepted by the High Court, that Panchayat election should be held. Even then, and the reason that they had prayed for is not OBC, but it was monsoons. This is important. After election, they went up to the Supreme Court. Now the question here is, why did they go to the Supreme Court? The Supreme Court and they are using the judicial system, the judicial process, to suppress democratic institutions, to delay democratic process. Therefore, they have gone. They have not gone because they have got respect to judiciary. And why I say this? The Supreme Court Chief Justice of India is on record to say that the biggest litigant is the government, and Goa is following those footsteps. Secondly, this government, Goa government I am talking about, there are hundreds of cases, plenty cases of contempt petition for the government not following instructions of the court. So you are using the judicial system not because you have respect for the judiciary system, but to subvert, suppress, delay democratic processes. This is becoming very clear. Now, from beginning we have been continuing, TMC has been continuously saying that SIT continues to be shrouded in mystery, and it is wrapped up in a conspiracy. They had said that they would be giving the terms of references. Till today, nothing. They had said that 22 members will be increased. Till today, nothing. They say that 93 cases are now under investigation. They also say that instructions have been given to the collectors and to concerned authorities not to process any development vis-a-vis these properties. The question is, which are these properties? Who are the original owners? Declare their names. Because this is totally a mystery, nobody knows. There are no, SID has not met, according to our information. This will be chairman appointed by a judge. No answer. We demanded that it should be given to a fast-track court. No answer. Therefore, our charge that it is shrouded with mystery and now further it is wrapped with a conspiracy gets very clear. Till today, the Chief Minister said, when we were discussing about fast-track court, he said fast-track investigation. I must have heard it. Where is the fast-track investigation? Where are the properties? These are the properties. It is circling among the 3-4 people who are arrested. Why those names are not coming out openly? Therefore, we say it is a mystery, shrouded in mystery, wrapped up with a conspiracy. Now, the biggest frauds that have taken place is in Kombinat lands. Not one matter has been taken according to our information. Why are frauds and fraudulent transfers of thousands of square meters that have taken place not under the SIT? Has the SIT taken? I will again remind you all. There was a raid in Deputy Collector's office in Mapsa. Files were seized. Where is it? We had demanded, TMC had demanded, transfer those files to SIT. Nothing. So what is it exactly? Now TMC makes this very clear-cut conclusion. What is the conclusion? We have heard of EDs, we have heard of CIBs, CBI, we have heard of IT being used against opponents, against their own dissent within the party. Now what is SIT? SIT is nothing but a silencing investigating team, silencing the dissent, silence the dissent within the government. I am again repeating that the minister and BJP and even the opposition seems to be quiet on this issue. So this is an unit formed so that they don't have to ask the CBI and the CID, the IT and all. This investigating team will silence anyone trying to speak the truth, but who has got skeleton in the cupboard, silence them and no dissent within the party. Because it is my charge, and I continuously make it, that I can place before the Chief Minister, provided it is aired on all channels. I'll give him evidence to show how ministers have been involved in defrauding, mostly Kombinat lands. We demand that this SIT, the government should come out clear, and the more it is not coming clear, it is only substantiating our charge that it is something mysterious, and the mystery is, which we are now unearthing, it is to silence the dissent and opposition people who will be going against this government and exposing the facts about this government.
Okay, why do you think that this government has wake up so late? It has been going for so long, this land grabbing. So why only this year?
Therefore, I am declaring those 93 names. It looks like those 93 properties. It looks to me that it was all pre-planned. Gub, they caught it. They are not going further. Serula Kombinat is on record. Other one is Chikali that side. There's plenty. And therefore, this SIT, there are ministers within the cabinet who are trying to use their power against the Chief Minister. Chief Minister is using this to silence them. And therefore, if you see their body language now, those particular ministers are totally subservient. Anything, they are all, we will follow the Chief Minister, we will do whatever the Chief Minister, we will fully cooperate with the Chief Minister. All that natak has started.
The government is not serious on it.
I am expressing this is called seriousness. Government is serious to keep the government in power, to silence the dissent within the government and outside of the government. Government is serious for that, to see that it remains in power by using this SIT, what I call it the silencing investigating team. Go and keep them shut. If not, here you are. So you don't have to get ED and all that confusion. This is enough. And that is going on. With the body language can be made out. People used to call Pappu. Today are saying that we are totally with the Chief Minister. The Honorable Chief Minister. Suddenly Honorable. Because when you were Chief Minister, they were calling him Pappu. Suddenly he becomes Honorable. Why? The silencing investigating team has started working.
Trajan Bab, on what ground you are saying that ministers are included in the? You have any proof?
I told you, I am prepared to place it before the Chief Minister.
So
I am prepared to give it to a sitting judge, not to these people, because there is no anxiety here. As I told you, I am going to give it and say, I am prepared, again I am repeating, I have said it earlier, I am prepared to place the proof before the Chief Minister how the Minister of the Cabinet is aiding, abetting and assisting people who have frauded the land.
How many ministers?
How many ministers?
Why that? How many everything before the Chief Minister? One minister is not enough for you?
Asking.
Even London University is only 100 square meters. Even 10 rupees fraud is a fraud. One person does in the cabinet, he has to be kicked out. Right? One apple, rotten apple, then the others don't get rotten. We didn't learn this. Media has started this. putting it on a different place.
What is the demand of TMC now on this?
Our demand is that this is nothing but a dishabul, लोकांच्या दोळ्यांनी माती घालपाची, काय जावपाचें ना, SIT फोत केला, ते भितर आमी फायले, जी कोण स्पेस उलयतात, सरकाराचे म्हणजे तोंडां बंद करतात. If not, I'm telling you, they should explain what are the terms of reference. He had made a statement that 22 people are going to be added in the SIT, right around. Am I making simple charges? Where are they? Under you, our information last time I said it, SIT has not met on these cases. He should come out, know where are the terms of reference, give out the names of the original properties of which he has told to stop further process, publish it. Then you will see another conspiracy, another thing, one that comes out. You are already saying that they have given 93 some properties to the deputy. Now they are saying 93 are investigating. See the confusion they are creating. And they are saying deputy collectors have been told, we are the properties you have told not to process further. Declare their names. What you are keeping in the secret? Because political touts are moving around to make deals. त्या दाबून तो धरे एका दिवस काल सापडले मला 20 लाख मागताले ते हांगाय चल्ले पण हांगा तर these are politicians inside involved.